Okay, hello. Today we will discuss about a square root amplifier by op amp. So today we will discuss about this amplifier. So here is the circuit. This is our V input. This is resistance R, and here is a MOSFET, and this is N MOSFET. This is N MOSFET. So firstly, we have to see whether it is saturation mode or triode mode. So we have to find out uh, we have to find out the MOSFET in which state it is operating. So we know that if VGD is greater than VT, then it is triode mode. Then it is operating in triode mode, and VGD is less than VT or equal VT, then it is operating in saturation mode. Saturation mode. So here we can see that Vg is 0. So Vg is equal to 0, and Vd is also 0, as the non-inverting input is grounded. So inverting input here voltage also will be the 0 voltage. So Vd is 0. Okay. So here, so Vgd is equal to Vg minus Vd, 0 minus 0 equals 0. That is less than Vt. So we can say that in conclusion that the MOSFET is operating in saturation mode, not in triode mode. Okay. So if the diode is operating in saturation mode, so we now will apply a formula of current. ID is equal half Kn Vgs minus Vt whole square. This is the equation of drain to source current of a in MOSFET. Okay. So here we may also say that the ID is equal V input minus 0 bhag R, because the same current is flowing here to here. So these two currents are not different, they are the same current. So we just make equal these two currents, Kn Vgs minus Vt whole square. Okay. Okay. So that is one thing. So we need to make this equation respecting to V output. Okay. So what is V output? If we apply a loop, okay, if we apply a loop here, then we may find out that V output is equal to, applying a loop, okay, minus V naught plus Vsg equals 0. That means V output is equal to minus VGS minus VGS. So we just here VGS will follow the value here V naught, V output. So here the V input by resistance R half Kn, and here VGS minus Vt whole square. So VGS minus Vt is equal to 2V input by Kn into R. VGS equal to V input by Kn R plus Vt. Okay. Oh, okay. I just forget. I made a fault. Okay. So this comes after making a root. So this will be root over So this is root over 2Vn by Kn into R. So VGS is equal to basically, so VGS, so we know that V naught, V output is equal to minus VGS. So if I apply this value to here, then we will find out that V naught, V output is equal to minus 2V input by KNR minus VT. So this is the ultimate expression of a square root amplifier. Okay, so thank you for everyone for connected with me.